My name is Nandita Mishra and I am currently pursuing BBA LLB Honours from Chanakya National Law University, Patna. So I have had the privilege of interning with FFAR, which is Fight for Animal Rights India. Currently, we are working on the campaign called Stop Culling Wild Boars in Tamil Nadu. What is the matter at hand? Let's have a look at it. Wild boar is commonly known by the name of wild pig. So in the instant case there has been the villagers have been residing in an area in and around the forest areas, and what is the food that the wild boar thrives on? Wild boar, being an omnivore, thrives on the vegetables and fruits that we generally found in the area surrounding our places, and the carcasses of dead animals that are available in the surrounding areas. Since the villagers are residing in the areas in and around forests, the wild boars have accessibility, and hence they go around hunting for the food that they have to thrive on, and thus get accessibility to the fruits. And subsequently, due to this, the farmers are facing huge losses, which is due to which they subsequently go to the government for getting their grievances redressed. Subsequently, there is this governmental order number 155, dated 22nd June 2017, which has legitimized culling of wild boars. Now, what is culling? Culling means selective killing of wild boars when seen that the wild boars are hampering and intruding upon the areas of villagers which are residing there. So what's happening in the instant case? While culling is allowed on papers, uh, it is in theory and in practice, what we see is that there has been this indiscriminate killing and arbitrary killing of wild boars throughout these months in the areas of Tamil Nadu where this has been legitimized. So what we see is that while India initially started with 7 species of wild boars, we are only left with 2 in the instant time. We go to the historical points where we tell you that that wild boars have had historical importance as well, wherein wild boar is actually considered an avatar of Vishnu, and there have been instances mentioned in the scriptures wherein wild boar saves the villagers from devil, and what is the motive behind telling you all this? This order, after this order is issued, it is on papers that we get to see that only 50-60 wild boars are being killed, while in reality we get to see that hundreds and thousands of wild boars are being killed. So what are the ramifications that are going that we are going to see due to killing of wild boars? We tell you that wild boars are the food that various carnivores such as leopards, tigers thrive on. And due to the indiscriminate killing of wild boars, it is these animals as well, it is these carnivores as well who are going to suffer subsequently, and hence the dwindling numbers of wild boars is subsequently going to dwindle the number of wild tigers and leopards and various carnivores as well. So we essentially try to tell you it is the humans who need to take the initiative to understand the ecological imbalance that is subsequently going to happen because of the rampant killing of wild boars, is something that we need to get worried about from the instant time and the instant day. If we keep on waiting, it is only going to lead us to a situation where which we had reached in the situation of tiger. And while we tell you that it is due to the legitimizing of such killing, that the illicit trade of meat of wild boars is also being on rise, and there have been instances of steep rise in the illegal weapons trade in several areas. Now we quote to you the statistics in Ramnagar, Karnataka, wherein in the Ramnagar area alone 5,000 illicit weapons have been found. So what we tell you essentially is that that the killing of wild boars is subsequently going to impact the ecology of our system hugely, and it is subsequently going to it is subsequently going to increase the illicit and illegal trade which is already happening in the market. So all we ask you for is to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hence spread awareness in order to increase awareness about the culling of wild boars in Tamil Nadu. So FFAR India has gone with a PIL, and all we ask you for is to like, subscribe and share support. Thank you so much.